Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to solve one of the SQL interview question. So if you are preparing for an interview like a data engineer, SQL role or database role or data analyst, this video is for you. Let's move to the question. The questions they have given is write a query to generate complete match schedule every national football team play against every each other team exactly once without a team playing against itself over repeating a future. So they have given a team tables. In a team tables we have a ID and the team name column. So we need to generate the output in this format like we need to write a query to generate a complete match schedule. We need to write a query to generate a complete match schedule where every national football team play against each other. So we need to generate an output like every national team play against other teams, but they have given a conditions. It not should be a repeated match, or it's not against the match like the Spain versus Spain, or it not shoulder against means, and repeated means it's not should be a Spain versus, we can say Spain versus Argentina or Argentina versus Spain. That will be the same match that we have to handle. First, try to build a logic in your own way. If you find the solutions, then write down in a comment box. Okay, now let's move on to the solutions. We need a output in this format like team one, like the team A versus team B, and they have given a single data set. So I'm going to use the join. Which join I'm going to use is nothing but the inner join. Okay, let's use the inner join. Like I'm going to select first, I will select the first I will select star from team A. I'm giving the alias name as a. I'm going to select which column team name. Team name as I will give a name as Let's give a name as a team name, and from which column, from A team. And also I'm going to select the team B, which second column, B, on same team name I'm going to select, but I'm going to use here is the inner join conditions. In a inner join, what inner join do? Whatever on a condition, whatever present in a on a conditions, it will give a that records like the same table with B on. Basically inner join gives the similar record from a both table. So but here I'm going to use one of the, I can say, a magical conditions where I'm going to use from a table dot which column, id column. A table's id column should be less than B table id columns. Okay, I'm going to use these conditions on these conditions. What exactly these conditions do? Basically, the join condition is the most critical part. This is the most critical part of this query, because this condition is a kind of magical condition, we can say. Basically, it's prevent a team from playing itself. If we use the is equal to conditional, it will give the similar record. So I'm using the greater than equal to, less than equal to conditions. Uh, Less than equal to condition, so it will prevent the like the itself join, like the Spain joining with this join. Okay, I can say also it will avoid the duplicate mirror matches. So duplicate mirror matches in the sense like the Spain versus Argentina or the Argentina versus Spain. So for that I have used the AID. It should be less than BID. These conditions I have used. And I'm going to use order by column. Here, order by, I can say T1 dot I, sorry, A dot ID and B dot ID in ascending order. Let's run this query and see what output we are getting. Syntax error on condition. Okay, we have written on 2 times. Let's run this query once again. As you can see, we are getting the team name and the team name, and we are getting the A team versus the B team. But we need a output like the versus format. So how we can join two columns into a single column? For that, I'm going to use concat function. Concat function. Concat joining the two columns, I can say, and but we are giving here one versus colons and comma. Like the concat functions take as much as argument how many columns do you want to join into a single column. So I'm going to use this condition, and let's run this query once again. Let's give the column name as matches. Okay, let's column name as a matches. Let's run the query once again and see what outputs. You can see we have received the all the matches single team can play with the against other team, other four teams. I can say the Spain is playing with the four teams, like the Argentina is playing with the 3+4 team, like the France is playing two, and we can say here is the one, here is the one, four teams, and the Brazil, England also playing with the four team. Like this we can generate the output. But also we can generate the output using the other join. Basically other join is nothing but the left join and the right join. Try to build the solution using right join and the left join. Only one extra where conditions will add. Write down your solution. I can say write down your solutions using the right join and the left join in the comment box, so we can discuss it is the right or the wrong. If you like this content, please share, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.